Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back to do what is the last Margarete Miller collage assignment in 2021. So on to volume 2 of the book, and here we are at this page here, number 52. That was a quick year, though I didn't join in until a couple of months in, and then I played catch up. So these are the last prompts. Something with holes, something that is heavy, something stapled, a sticker, a book page or portion of a book page, and the bonus, if you want to swap one, is a paint chip. So something with holes. I have this piece of waste from making sequins. You can buy it in a roll like that. It comes, I've got it here, it comes in a roll. I have no idea where I got it from, but I've had it a long time, and I thought it was perfect for something with holes. Something that is heavy. I have Nellie the elephant. Something stapled. I have my stapler that will staple something. A sticker. I'm going to put a quote sticker from this little book, which is Art by Marlene, black and white sticky quotes, and I'm going to use one of those stickers. That's where that sticker there came from, and I thought that was quite appropriate. Create your own whimsical world for the last one in this book. Okay, where are we? A sticker, a book page or portion of a book page, and I have this piece of book page, and that's it. A paint chip I'm not going to do. So I thought I would staple, because this is quite tricky to glue to anything, so it's quite useful that there's a book page going to go behind it, and I'm just hoping that I can catch some of it, and I'm going to staple each corner, and then it will be easier to glue the page, the book page down. Yeah, that works. I've got my 4 staples, and I'm just going to centre the book page on the page. Just use my old magazine here, my glue stick. So yeah, can you believe week 52? Here we are. And I had often wondered when I started sort of junk journaling and making videos, not well, a wee while ago now, I saw the Margarete Miller challenge and I saw people doing it, but I still didn't really fancy it that much. And then I watched Dee of Dee's Crafty Place, and I really liked the collages that she was doing, and it made me want to join in too. So thanks again, Dee, for the inspiration. If it hadn't been for your videos, I wouldn't have joined in. So next we're going to have Nellie, and Nellie is going to have her wings, because you know what, we have to make a whimsical world. So we'll stick down the wings, and then we can get Nellie in place. I'm hoping that this sticks to, this is just a butterfly, obviously, and I'm hoping that it sticks, or that there's enough of the book page for it to stick to. Seems to be okay. Let's get this little elephant down, because I'm something heavy, and I'm sure elephants are heavy. And I'm going to be careful I don't pull off his tail or her tail, because I'm prone to pulling off limbs with these things. The paper is quite thin. It's from the Book of Extraordinary Things to Cut Out and Collage. It's been a great book. Let's just carefully get all of our bits down. There we are. Perfect. I hope you're not getting a glare from that silvery sequence waist. Nope. Okay, so a sticker. Let me just put the bits away. And I found this sticker here. With brave wings she flies. I thought that was quite perfect. Now, where will we put it? I think, yes, just down the bottom, straightforward. Just a little title there, and we'll just, there we are. Number 52. Something with holes, something that's heavy, something stapled, a sticker, and a book page is in behind. And I do like this one. So I'm glad that the last one is something that I like, because I haven't liked them all really along the way. But I thought now, seeing as how that's the last one, we could do a quick flip through of all the collages. What do you think? Number 1. I won't read out all the bits, we'll just look at the collages. I quite like that one. I think that was the wee guy that lost his arm, but you wouldn't know. Number 2, yeah. Not keen on that. Quite like this. 6, I quite like this. It's okay. Not so sure. This one. This one was a firm favourite and still is. So number 10, a firm favourite. Ooh, a little dolly bird there. This is a flippy one. Quite like that. Quite like this. I seem to like the one with the animals and the people doing something. Not so sure about this, but I like this page over here. I quite like this, the way that worked out quite well. Not sure. Is that one stuck together? Oh, here we are. I quite like the drip and tap. Yes, this one, 32. Superhero versus the Joker, because I thought that was quite good. I was quite pleased with myself that the superhero was fighting. That's from a playing card, that Joker. I quite like that. That one fits all together with the background and the characters. So number 10 and number 32. And I quite like this. I like it when it makes sense. The shark and the yellow cap totally doesn't make sense. I I forgot about this one. Yes, I think this one's funny. This one would win the funny prize. This is quite good. The cats and the pumpkin. And this is quite good. The donkey's laughing at the toy hanging from the hook. And that's quite good as well. I seem to have a wee run of ones I like. Another one in a shoe. What's that? No, that's actually stuck on. Is that 43? Alright, that's where it ends. So the story ends. So I must have decorated did I decorate? Oh yes, I did. Decorate the front page. This has been handcrafted with love. Care for it well and love will multiply. Oh, so that's a complete book with the covers decorated as well and the outside. And then volume 2 doesn't have a decorated cover because I'll use the rest of it because it started life as something else. So 44. Did it start at 44? 43? Thought it was 42 at the end there. No, 43. Right, that's fine. Because I know I haven't missed one. Yeah. The two gals having a blather. 45. This is very minimalist, isn't it? This is quite good. I quite like that. That's a bit odd. That was a hard week, I remember that week. This is alright. And I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about last week's at all. Anyway, I think we're finishing on a good one with Brave Wings She Flies. So that's it. That's it for the whole year. I'm not going to do it next year. I've got other plans. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. And if you have, a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.